Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. Before you say anything, I already know, and let's just say it's been a week. Some of you guys have noticed that my hair has grown a lot, so I thought why not share some of my tips and tricks on how I retain my length and some of the products from TreLuxe that have helped me. So let's hop right in. As you can see, my hair is super dry and tangled. When my hair is matted, I never like to go straight into washing my hair. I always use TreLuxe Aloe Vera Curl Primer first. When I tell you this product has saved me, it's saved me. It saved me on time. I've had less breakage, and being someone who struggles with sensitive scalp, when using this to detangle, I barely feel anything. It's made with plant-based ingredients that help to smooth, detangle, and soften your curls to extend wash day results and save time refreshing. The key ingredients, aloe vera, vitamin C, and vitamin E, give it a subtle sweet melon scent while also giving it a ton of slip, so a little goes a long way. It can also be used in a variety of ways, such as a pre-poo detangler, pre-primer styler, or a refresher. My favorite way to use it is as a pre-poo or a primer. Now that my hair has grown out, my hair porosity has changed. My roots are low porosity, while the rest of my hair is a mixture of low and high porosity, which is a normal thing. I always suggest testing your hair porosity to determine whether it's high, normal, or low before purchasing any product. To test your hair porosity is very simple. Take a clean strand of hair and place it in a glass of water. If the hair stays at the top, you have low porosity. If it slowly sinks in the middle, you have normal porosity. And if it sinks to the bottom, you have high porosity. When I did the test, the top portion of the strand stayed at the top while the end sunk to the bottom. Even when I took it out, you could see the water droplets on the strand at the top while the bottom didn't have any. This let me know that it's harder to get moisture in and out of my roots, but my ends easily absorb moisture and lose it. By applying a treatment before shampooing, you can help the hair absorb more moisture, which is often a struggle for low porosity hair. Pre-pooing helps to open those cuticles, allowing for better moisture penetration and product absorption, which helps the hair from drying out during the shampoo process. I recommend adding this product to your wash day routine, especially if you struggle with dryness, knots, and tangles. Once my hair is detangled, I go right into shampooing. To wash my hair, I'm using TreLuxe's Curl Renew and Restore Cleanser. After realizing my hair porosity was somewhat different, I had to change a few things. One of those was my shampoo. I love a good moisturizing shampoo, but it wasn't doing the job at really getting the buildup off of my roots and my scalp. But what works best for my hair is washing with a clarifying shampoo first, then follow with the moisturizing shampoo second. What I really like about TreLuxe's shampoo is a mixture of both. It's clarifying but also hydrating, plus it has a lot of slip and a great lather. It's formulated with plant-based ingredients that gently lift product residue from curls and scalp without disturbing the hair's natural pH balance, along with the key ingredients, slippery elm extract, coconut milk, and aloe vera that protect, moisturize, and restore curls. This shampoo hydrates hair while also reducing moisture loss while repairing hair bonds, making it perfect for mixed porosity hair. It's honestly all I need. After rinsing my hair, my scalp feels so clean and my hair always feels super soft. Next is what really helped me, and that's deep conditioning. I love the Soothe and Restore Deep Conditioner from TreLuxe. As you can see, I really use this. This conditioner has a light whip consistency that glides through your hair so easily, and it's a great addition if you experience dullness, dryness, breakage, and if your hair is color treated. As a result, you'll be left with soft curls, your hair's elasticity will be improved, and maximum moisture to help heal damaged strands. Deep conditioning your hair is so important, especially if you have low porosity hair, because your hair craves moisture and deep conditioning can help seal in more moisture. Even if you have high porosity hair, it's important as well because, like I said, as fast as your hair absorbs moisture, it loses it just as fast. So it's important to find products that lock in moisture so your hair can stay hydrated. This conditioner has a good amount of slip, which allows me to detangle my hair quick, and I also don't have to use too much. Because I have low porosity hair at my roots, I'm always afraid of having buildup, so in the past, I'd avoid putting products like deep conditioners on my roots. But with this product, its lightweight consistency never causes any buildup on my roots or scalp. Once I'm done applying it to each section, I like to sit under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes or more just to really allow it to penetrate my hair. I didn't show it, but I always put a shower cap before sitting under the dryer. Then once that's done, I rinse it out with cool water. Using a leave-in conditioner is crucial for mixed porosity hair because it helps retain moisture, balances hydration levels, and makes detangling easier. It also provides hold and definition for styling while offering protection against environmental factors like humidity and UV rays. Leave-ins deliver nutrients to nourish and strengthen the hair, ensuring it remains healthy, manageable, and well hydrated. I struggle with having knots and tangles, but I also have been dealing with buildup of product on my roots and scalp. You guys know I sometimes apply things heavy-handed, and I'm trying to stop that, especially at my roots. I used to think having the thickest products were the best for my hair, but actually lightweight products work even better, such as leave-ins, lightweight creams, and mousses. This leave-in from TreLuxe is another favorite of mine because it supplies just that. From its sweet cinnamon smell to its light texture, this product has helped me so much. It keeps my hair feeling super light, but also keeps it moisturized. To lock in and keep in that moisture, I'm going to apply a gel right on top of this. The gel I'm applying is TreLuxe's High Definition Gel. This gel was designed to provide exceptional curl definition and hold without compromising softness. It's formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients that enhances the natural texture of your curls, reducing frizz while maintaining flexible, touchable styles. What I enjoy most about this gel is that it offers a long-lasting hold that keeps your hair looking fresh throughout the day, while its lightweight formula ensures that your curls remain bouncy and full of life, free from harsh additives. This gel focuses on promoting healthy hair, making it an ideal choice for individuals seeking to emphasize their curls while keeping their hair moisturized and manageable. A gel offers several benefits for mixed porosity hair by defining curls and waves while reducing frizz. It provides a strong yet flexible hold, keeping styles intact without stiffness. Many gels contain hydrating ingredients that help maintain moisture, particularly in low porosity areas, while also creating a protective barrier against humidity to combat frizz. Gels that are lightweight won't weigh your hair down or overload high porosity sections. Like this high definition gel, some gels include nourishing ingredients that promote overall hair health and improve elasticity. I find incorporating a gel into your routine allows you to find manageable curls while balancing moisture and enhancing hair health. After I'm done styling, I always sit under a dryer or diffuse my hair. Now, with this, I'm very careful because heat is still heat. I never dry my hair on the highest setting or use this more than once a week, sometimes no more than once in a span of 2 weeks. But using a hooded dryer for mixed porosity hair provides several advantages. It delivers even heat around the head, ensuring that curls dry uniformly. The heat helps open the cuticles, allowing conditioners and styling products to penetrate more deeply, enhancing their effectiveness. It reduces drying time. Compared to air drying, it minimizes frizz and improves overall appearance and helps to define curls and set styles more effectively, leading to longer lasting results. Furthermore, it also promotes even moisture distribution, ensuring both low and high porosity areas stay hydrated, which is essential for healthy hair. I forgot to say this, and I'm in dire need of this as well, but trim your ends. One thing I have found the most beneficial is cutting off hair that needs to go. Trust me, once those dead ends go, your hair is going to flourish. I've worked with TreLuxe on several projects, but I personally love their products and I actually use them. I know that when I'm using these products that they are made with the best ingredients and are free from harsh chemicals, and I also know that my hair is always going to come out looking and feeling good. Always pick products that work best for your hair texture and porosity levels. I'm not a cosmetologist, nor am I perfect. I just do what works for me, and this routine has helped me a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.